Let's learn how to deploy a subgraph in just 1 minute. So let's start by opening the directory of the subgraph that we're deploying. Now that we're there, we can head over to the Chainstack console. You can see here I have the subgraph page open. Click on Create Subgraph. Choose the blockchain that you're deploying to. In this case, it'll be the Ethereum mainnet, Elastic, and click on Next. Type in a name, and add subgraph, and now the subgraph's created. Now with this, you'll see this deployment command section. Go ahead and copy this. Open our console back up, and paste this into the directory of our subgraph. Click Enter. Type in a version label. I'll just do what it says here with version 01. This will then compile the subgraph, and then it'll deploy it to IPFS, and then finally it'll be deployed to Chainstack's hosted service. There you go. And you see it's now deployed to the Chainstack console. We have our HTTP endpoint here. We can go ahead and check out the Chainstack console now and see that it is deployed and currently syncing with the blockchain.